Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I just want to share with you guys something real quick. I'm not sure if you guys noticed, but as I was going through this, and when I click on the menu, go all the way down to Cybertruck. And now you can order one. So surprisingly, it's still $100. But before, it used to have like the list of all the configurations. Now just basically, you just fully refundable, $100. Order now. Alright, so if you guys in the market for a Cybertruck, or maybe even a Roadster, let's try the Roadster. Let's go back. Because I think you're going to make reservation for Roadster too. Can you? Yes, you can. Also, Roadster, 0 to 60, 1.9. 2 plus 250 miles per hour. 620 miles per range. That's awesome. Oh, look at that. Roadster. I don't know when they're going to be making this vehicle. So, yesterday was Tesla Investor Day. It was terrible. Just a bunch of people went up there talking about their own subject and what they do, specialized, nothing really new about it. We were waiting for the 25,000 vehicle that they're supposed to be talking about, and also the Gen 3 platform. Nothing new but Cybertruck. They didn't say anything. The only good thing that came out of that was the factory that they're going to build in Mexico. And with that factory there, they're going to use that to build the supposedly to $25,000 vehicle. Also, I read an article where I think like for the people that live in Texas, if they can subscribe to a monthly subscription where they pay $30 for the unlimited home charging. So I think that's something new. Right now, I think they're only tested out in Texas, but eventually they might roll out like to other states as well. Okay, well, Roadster, this looks really nice. Beautiful, but how much is it? A couple $100,000. Beautiful. Alright, so after the investor day, the Tesla stock dropped like about 7-8%. Today, I think it went down to like $190 stock price. So not really good for a Tesla investor at all. So that's pretty much it for this video. Thank you for watching. If you liked the video, please give it a like. And welcome to subscribe. Other than that, take care, and I'll see you guys in the next video.